Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to comment or uncomment block or line in Vscode. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So the first way to comment the block is using the shortcut. You select the code that you want to comment and then you press. And to uncomment this part, you do the same shortcut. You can also use another shortcut that is Shift Alt A. Also you can open the panel and search for comment, and then you can see some shortcuts and some options. Thank you for watching.